Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a honey lemon pepper whole chicken, and for this I'm using one whole chicken, and now I'm going to show you how I cut it to butterfly it. So usually take out the back end because that tends to take the chicken longer to cook. I'm just using my kitchen shears. Okay, you can see one side is out. Wash the interior and exterior of my chicken, as you can see, and I'll be right back. And now I'm gonna move on to seasoning the chicken. Seasoning, I have some lemon slices, Cajun seasoning, black pepper, lemon pepper seasoning, some sea salt, and some butter with a teaspoon of my homemade green seasoning and 4 cloves of garlic grated. Let's get started. So I am going to start by putting in the pieces of butter under the skin, especially in the breast area because that tends to get drier. I'm also going to put in the thigh. I'm going to put 2 more pieces in here. And I mix together the garlic and the green seasoning. And I'm going to put that under the skin as well. So when doing dry seasoning, I like to do the underside first. And I'm going to start with my black pepper, followed by some salt. Next, I'm going in with my lemon pepper seasoning. Followed by my Cajun seasoning. Okay, now I'm going to flip it over and season the top. Starting with black pepper, and salt, lemon pepper seasoning, remember to season under the wing as well. And then some Cajun seasoning. And now I'm going in with my lemon slices. So you guys know the juice from these lemon slices are going to infuse into the skin of that chicken and the meat. Oh my God, it's going to be so good. Also, I'm putting in a few sprigs of thyme. Jeez, how I have difficulty saying sprigs. Sprigs of thyme. Okay, I got it. So, and also I melted about 3 tablespoons of butter. I am using the Irish butter because it tends to have a higher fat content. And I don't want the meat to dry out and all that. So I went for something that's more rich in fat. And I'm just drizzling the chicken with some of that butter. And once it's all drizzled on, I'm going to start to pat it in lightly, very lightly, because you don't want your seasonings to move around. And then I'm going to be placing my chicken in the middle rack of my oven. My oven has preheated to 350 degrees, and it is going to bake for between an hour and an hour and a half. Now, every 20 to 30 minutes, I'm going to take it out and I'm going to baste it. And next, I'm going to start on my honey lemon pepper glaze. I have 2 tablespoons of butter. I also put in some fresh lemon juice, black pepper, lemon pepper seasoning, Go a little heavy on the lemon pepper. That's fine. Some brown sugar. And of course, my raw honey. Now we're just going to mix everything together. And the sauce is ready. So I did change pans. Now, whatever liquid I had in the pan previously, I did add it to my honey lemon pepper glaze sauce. And this is what I'm using to baste the chicken. Back in the oven for 5 minutes. So I still want the chicken to have more like a charred look, like you had it on the grill outside. So for that, I'm going to put the oven on broil. And I'm going to place the chicken back into the oven. Now I am continuing to baste it with a whole other layer because when it's going to be on broil, I don't want the chicken to dry out during that time. So I'm making sure that I give it that last basting before I put it back in there.